you're probably making product research way harder than it needs to be. I used to think growing a shop meant constantly coming up with new ideas. But the truth is that 90% of your success is going to come from taking what's already working in the marketplace and making it your own. I'm Chris, I'm the founder of AnywherePOD, and after analyzing thousands of listings, there's one trend that is always in demand. And I believe there's a huge opportunity here that's getting ready to blow up. In this video, I'll show you what this evergreen design trend is and why it sells year-round, and how you can take this design trend and apply it in an area of untapped demand. Monogram designs have lasted for years. It's not just the design, it's the emotion that carries along with it, because it's somebody's name, represents somebody's identity, and carries high emotional value for the customer and makes them be able to see themselves actually owning that product. Here's a few different examples of monogram style designs that are selling well on multiple different products across the board on Etsy right now. The first one I have here is a simple blanket. You can see this has not been listed for very long and is already doing 50 sales a month. We can see they have multiple different size, fabric, and color options that are available on this product, which is a great example because the tool we're going to show to be able to list these types of products makes it really easy to add these types of variant designs so you can give your customer the option to customize their product exactly how they want it. This next example is another blanket. You can see this has only been listed on Etsy for 3 months and is already making 57 sales in a month. And I think this could really be expanded even more by adding just a few different options for the customer to be able to select from instead of only offering it on a woven blanket. Monogram designs on laser engraved cutting boards have been a huge seller for years. You can see on this listing, again, a really new listing, already getting 10 sales a month on this one listing. You can see they're giving the customer a couple different design styles to be able to select from, as well as being able to personalize this with their name. The next two examples here are huge sellers. You can see this one's already selling 161 times a month. Again, in this one, along with the personalization, they're also giving the customer the choice to be able to select between different monogram styles that resonates the best with them. And lastly, here's another great example of a whiskey glass. This is selling over 200 times every month. You can see they're using the exact same strategy where they have multiple monogram styles that the customer can select from while they're purchasing their design. One of the areas that all of these monogram designs are falling short on is they don't give the customer a way to be able to customize the big letter that is in the monogram as well as the name that's going in the monogram. They're just assuming that the customer is going to want the first letter from their name to be what is on the monogram. But oftentimes the customer may want the big letter to be their last name and have their name be the text that is listed. So stick around until the end because we'll show you exactly how you can give that level of flexibility easily to your customers. Now, this is where it gets really interesting because it's not just about the design, but about the product that you put it on. If you're a new seller looking for your first big win or just looking to start to get a little bit of traction in your Etsy store, it can be really hard to compete on the same products that everybody else is already listing. So if you take this monogram concept and you post it on products that other people already have established listings that are selling monograms, it can be difficult to break into that market. But if you're able to combine a high demand design like monograms and pair that with a high demand product that not very many people have access to, you can be one of the first movers in that market and really be able to start gaining some traction for your store. The product I'm referring to here are the platters by Decoplate. This is one of my favorite products, partly because not very many people have access to this product. So your competition on Etsy is going to be a lot lower, and it's going to be a lot easier for you to bring in new designs that other people haven't added to this product yet. The quality, pricing, and production time on this product is great, which is another reason that I love it. And we're just getting ready to come into Father's Day, which is one of the top selling seasons for this particular product. These platters from Decoplate are exclusive to AnywherePOD, so that's one of the reasons that your competition is a lot lower for this type of product. So while most of the time I say you need 100% follow the data and make sure that you are listing products that are designs on products that people are already purchasing and just putting your own spin on those products. But in this case, this product is so new that not every niche has been tested on this product. Since we know that this platter design sells well to fathers, and we know that monograms already sell well, combining the two can be a really powerful move. This means you can be one of the first to market and really be able to help capture some of the sales in that area that others are just leaving on the table. I'll leave a link to a video that covers this product line, as well as information on how you can get your account set up to be able to sell their products. Now that we've identified the opportunity, this is where most people get stuck, because as you saw, we need to add multiple variant options because we need the customer to be able to select the exact design and letter that they would like on their product. Normally, this is a process that can take hours and is the reason why most sellers are not listing this type of product. However, now we have a brand new tool inside of AnywherePOD that takes this hour's worth of work and allows you to get it complete in just a couple of minutes. So let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how you can create this type of monogram design. So here we are in AnywherePOD, and to create our new product, I'm going to use our new variant wizard tool that allows us to quickly add the multi-design options that we want to offer. So we're going to come over to our variant wizard. So in this case, we're just going to add the one deco plate product that I mentioned earlier to this listing that we're creating. So we're going to go to add product, and I'm going to look for our deco plate platter. We're going to add that product. This platter comes with the option of either the platter by itself or the platter with a stand. So we'll select both of those. When we click on continue, we can set up our pricing. And in this case, since we only have the one single product, we don't need to rename any of our variations for this product. So we can just click on continue for this option. Now that we have our product selected, we can go ahead and upload our artwork. And then I'm able to come to my monogram design right here. I'm just going to click on select all pages. That's going to automatically select all 26 pages that I have set up with each design. And in this case, these are personalized, so I don't want to import as PNG. I'm going to go ahead and import these as personalized layers. This is going to import all 26 pages for me from Canva with all of my text personalization set up and my monogram already set up as well. Once those have imported, you can see that we're going to get a list of any of the layers that we have set up on our Canva design. In this case, we just have the one field for text personalization that we want the customer to be able to enter in their name to be personalized. So we just need to make sure that we're marking that as personalized and copying that across all of the 26 designs that we just imported. Now, the next step is we want to rename our variant field so the customer can select the letter that they want on their monogram. So this is going to be the value that shows up in that drop-down field on Etsy so they can select which letter that they want to offer. So in this case, we're just going to fill this in A through Z for each design. And we can see now when we click on save, it's going to apply all 26 designs to our platter in bulk, all automatically for us. So now all we need to do is click on create product. This is going to generate a new product for us inside of AnywherePOD, and all of our variants are going to be set up exactly how we had them set. So you can see we have A through Z here on our letters, so the customer can select from each letter. All of our pricing and everything is already set up for us as well. And you can see now all of our designs, all of our mockups already generated for us. So we have all of those available to add to our listing for each letter. Now all we need to do is finish our title tag and description. We can do that using our AI functionality here if we would like to, or if we already have our title and tags complete, we can copy and paste those into here. All we need to do is click push on Etsy here at the top. This is going to publish this product over to our Etsy drafts, so we can finalize anything there if we need to before making this live on our shop. Keep in mind this exact same process works for any product in our catalog. So you can take this exact same strategy and apply it to any product. I hope you found this video useful. If you're ready to start using this strategy in your shop, make sure to check down below in the description for a link to sign up for AnywherePOD. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos.